Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. In general, as you can see, market shows the action that we have discussed. So some minor gradual retracement stands on the way. Yesterday market has reached the first level, 1275. This is also the weekly pivot point. But we think that this could become just the silent before the storm, at least during the current week, because on Mondays will be major driving factors, the results of the France elections. And we expect the big surprise there. So be ready for quite a volatile action on the gold market. Our position, you know, that in result, maybe after the 2 rounds, in the first round, maybe Omicron will pass to the next round. But as a result of the 2 rounds, we strongly suggest that the president will be somebody else, not the Omicron. And this will be very important because currently, Macron takes the, if not the first place in the polls, public polls results, but at least it stands in some newspapers on the first place and some others in the second. But they are one of the leaders. If he will lose the elections, this will be a very significant event and big surprise for the markets as well. Something of the sort as it has happened in the United States. That's why we think that currently the really lazy and gradual action that we see could last only till the current week. Maybe today, tomorrow, we'll see this gradual retracement on the gold market. So what we will be watching for? On the daily chart, mostly we have discussed all targets and the patterns that we have in previous videos. New input that we could get here is the take a look. That could be the, you may see, bullish stop grabber. So I'll take a look. This market stands very close to the MACD predictor line, this red line, the Jordan Apple indicator, MACD predictor. And if market will test it but fail to pass below it, this will be pattern that calls as a stop grabber. Here you can see how it looks like. You can see market has pierced the line, but then return it back up and close above the line. This action suggests the taking out of the previous stop, and this has happened in this action. Something of that sort could happen here, and today, tomorrow, we could get the bullish grabber. If we will get it, it will give us the signal that market is ready to taking out of this stop. Sometimes grabbers becomes not just the pattern that lead market to the minor target. Sometimes grabber triggers the upward trend continuation. It's the pattern that just starting the new stage of the upward trend. This also happens. That's what we'll be watching for on the daily chart. On the 4-hour time frame chart, mostly we have the same levels that we have discussed. The first level already has been reached. It's 1274. But as we said, taking into consideration that market was at overbought on the daily chart and has completed some important extensions, important targets. Also following the features of the gold market that usually shows the deeper retracements and likes to retest broken levels, we still suggest that market could, during today's session tomorrow, it could reach the 1260, 1265 area, maybe some deeper retracement to show and test even weekly pivot support one. This also could happen. On the hourly chart, we actually do not have something really new. Maybe we could use this extension. A, B, C, top, D pattern. So you can see this target already has been hit. This next destination point will be 1618 around 1265. As you can see here. Currently, guys, you can see this target has been reached. Market has shown minor retracement here. This also was a reaction on the strong support. So actually here we have the agreement. A, B, C, D target coincides with the fib level. This creates an agreement. It's also weekly pivot point. Right now we see the upward retracement, reaction on this region of this area, but take a look, market mostly stands flat. It's no significant bounce up, no upward continuation, And that could become the sign of the bearish dynamic pressure. So trend has shift bullish, but price action is not, and usually leads to taking out of these lows. If this will happen, in this case, our suggestion on the reaching 1260, 1265 area will be complete. So let's keep watching. Actually, this process of the reaching deep retracement or small retracement brings nothing important, because major important things we have on the daily chart. So we have the bullish trend, and after retracement, this upward action probably should continue. But that's technical issues that we are watching until market stands in the contraction stage when it shows retracement. We're making the analysis of the depth of the retracement. So let's see what we'll get till the end of the current week.